Hey everyone, and welcome to another quick All About RVs tour here. Today I wanted to take a quick look for you on the new 2025 Riverstone Legacy Edition 39RK FB. This thing has the beautiful Riptide red exterior paint job. I did do a much more detailed tour on a blue ice exterior version of this same model. So you can check out the link below if you're looking for some more details on one of these things. Look at how huge that storage compartment is. It has a much heavier duty steel upper deck chassis section, so you don't really have that frame flex like you get with some of those cheaper campers. You're gonna have two 40-pound propane tanks, hydraulic auto level, disc brakes. You have two large power awnings here with LED light strips built in and metal protective wraps when they're closed. Slide toppers were ordered on this one as well, also metal protective wrap. Check out the beautiful rear fiberglass cap here, has reverse lights, that camera system back here. You also have a ladder and a hitch back here as well. And one thing that's really unique here, that most of them don't do, is it actually has a fiberglass roof standard on it. You have dual pane safety glass windows standard on the RV. This thing is built for that extended stay or almost full-timer type of customer basically. You have the heavy duty step here with the shock assist, big grab handle. You even have the blind already built into the window there. 3 1/4 inch thick sidewalls. This is a wide body fifth wheel. Beautiful setup here. This is Riverstone's #1 selling floor plan. This is the Decorator white wood. You can also get a darker wood. This is the tobacco furniture, and you can get a lighter furniture. You have a couple extra chairs that you can put here at the dinette with a table extension. They have day-night roller shades, big refrigerator, the big oven that everybody seems to love, big convection microwave as well. And check it out, you even got a dishwasher. Beautiful solid surface countertops here. There are matching sink covers that come with it as well. Sofa will make a bed, Samsung Smart TV, sound bar, electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. You'll notice that the lino on the slide floor match the main floor. In here you have a half bath. So right there, turbo exhaust fan up there. Love the backlit mirror. Stack washer dryer setup. Foot flush toilet. Two slides here in the bedroom, so your TV area there slides out. Then your king bed over here also slides out. Storage underneath of that bed as well. This one was ordered with the electric wall heater there. Whisper quiet ACs. 3 ACs on this thing with heat pumps. Check out this bathroom. This thing is huge. Plenty of room in here for you and your partner. One-piece fiberglass shower. Sit-down seat. Look at this fancy shower head right there. Big skylight up above. And you have a huge walk-in closet here. Some shelf space back there as well. Cordless vac, Wi-Fi thing there. Very cool setup there. All right, folks, thanks for taking the time to watch the quick tour here. If you're interested, again, link in the below to a much longer, more detailed tour. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Should definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV. And if you don't mind, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so to keep up with my tours.